Okay, very good morning to all. Today I will discuss about fourth unit. So coming to fourth unit, Unix programming using fourth unit. Here the fourth unit is filters. In the Unix operating system using filters. What is filter? Why we are using filters? We have filters using three kind of commands are there in the fourth unit. So I discuss three kind of commands are. First command is grep command. First command is grep command. Next sed command. Next awk command. These three are the filter commands. These three are the filter commands. These three are very important commands. All Unix operating system works on depends on these three commands. Okay, so first we will discuss the filter. After we will discuss remaining topics. In the fourth unit, these are the topics are available. First one is what is filter, why we are using filter commands. Next one is grep command. What is grep command? In the grep command contains the family. It is a small kind of family. This family contains egrep and fgrep is there. We will discuss later. And next one is sed command. Sed means it is a stream editor. This is also a filter command. So we will discuss later in the coming classes. Next awk command. So this is also one of the pattern scanning command, pattern searching command. So this command also we will discuss in the coming classes. These four topics containing in this fourth unit. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. First one is filter. What is filter? What is filter? Filter are the program. Filter are the program that takes a plain text as an input. The plain text as an input it will takes, and standard input it will takes, and it will transform into the meaningful format. So whatever the input it will be taking, that will be transformed into the meaningful format and then return it to as a standard output. And then return it to as a standard output. So what is the meaning of filter? Filter is a program that takes a plain text as an input. It is a standard input. That input is transformed into meaningful format to display on the standard output. It is called as filter. So in the Unix operating system, the filters are used. It has a number of filters. It has a number of filters. So each and every command in the Unix, we are giving the input, we are displaying the processing it and displaying the output. Okay. So in the same way, it will be proceeded. Here the Unix has 100 number of filters. 100 number of filters. Some of the most commonly used filters are explained below. So already some filters commands are completed. Okay, you know that already in the second unit, third unit, first unit. We will discuss in the some filter commands. For example, cat command, create a file. If you create a file, after that you will give the input and it will display the output. So display the text of the file line by line. We can use the cat command. It is also called as filter command. Next, head command, to display the first lines of the specific text file. If you are giving the text file, the particular text file, first 4 or 5 lines are displayed using the head command. Whatever the starting lines are there, that lines are displayed using head command. So and tail command is also called as filter command. Head and tail commands both are filter commands. It is also used to display the here the starting of the lines, here the ending of the lines. It means reversal. Okay. So tail command, it works on the same way head command, but just reverse of order. It will reverse order. So in the head command, display the starting of the 5 lines, and tail command, ending of the 5 lines will be displayed using the tail command. Next one is sort command. So sorted alphabetical order, it will be followed to sorted order. Okay, even numbers also it will be sorted order. Okay, So it is also called as filter commands. So these are the filter commands. Some other filter commands I told you already. These commands are already completed. So these two we will discuss later. So this one also completed, this one also completed. We'll see that remaining things, and this is called as a filters. So in the filters we are giving the input, each and every command you can observe it. We are giving the input, standard input. The input is transformed into meaningful format to display the standard output. So whatever the command you should take, it will be follow the filter procedure. Okay. So this is called as filters. Now in the filters there are three commands are very important. So first filter command is grep command. Grep, G-R-E-P, grep command. What is the full form of grep? Grep means G means global, R means regular, E means expression, P means print. G R E P, grep command. G-R-E-P, grep command. What is the full form? Global, regular, expression, print. Okay, global, regular, expression, print is a small family of commands. Small family of commands that search an input. What is the use of the command? What is the use of the command is to search the input file as a search string, whatever the string you want to search. Okay, so and print the lines of the matched it. So whatever you want, that will be searched. If it is matched in the particular file, it will be display the particular line or particular pair. Okay, so it is nothing but to search the file pattern easily we can use the grep command. Okay, and coming to second point, grep is made up of the three separate connected commands. Grep is made up of the three separated commands. Grep, first one is grep, second one is egrep. E means extended grep. E means extended grep, and the third one is fgrep. Fgrep. F means fixed grep. Okay, egrep means extended, F means extended grep. So whatever the operations will be provided to the grep command, same operations will be following to egrep and fgrep. Same options also same. Okay, so even egrep if you are using, fgrep if you are using, both the greps also follow to the grep command options. Okay, so same operations will be followed. Some little bit difference is there, I will explain later. So sort of whole trinity of Unix commands, all those three commands, grep commands works in the same way. Okay, same way all either egrep or fgrep or grep, same output will be displayed. So you can see the diagram: global, regular, expression, print. So what is that? Grep. Grep means global, regular, expression, print. So here egrep, grep and fgrep. These are the three type of grep family commands are there. One by one we will discuss. First we will discuss the grep, after egrep, after fgrep. Okay, one by one we will discuss. So first one is, so this is the syntax of egrep. This is the syntax of grep. Grep command. So grep space option. So more options are there. I will explain in this class. Okay, option. If it is option is there, we will write the option. Option C, option L, option O, option W, option cap symbol is there. So I will give you the details of grep space pattern. Whatever the pattern you want to search, so write in this place what file you want to search. So that input file you are giving. You understand this one? For example, suppose, so this is grep option C. If it is option is there, you will write option. Option C means here count the Unix lines. How many lines input file contains, how many lines Unix is there, that lines will be counted using option C. Okay, here what file in this file, grepfile.txt contains in Unix how many places are there, that will be counted. We can use the example, simple example. Okay, grep space option C space pattern. So inverted commas you must use that, because of you can specify the pattern, what pattern you want to search. Okay, here pattern name is what, here Unix is my pattern name. So what file I want to search? This file, grepfile.txt. I want to search this pattern, Unix pattern in the grep.txt file. How many times are there? That count will be display option C. Okay, suppose in the Unix 4 places are there, the output is 4. Option C is there, count. Okay, option C is not there, so just grep space Unix grep file, that lines only display. Okay, so this some other examples of syntaxes. You can see that one by one. So this is the syntax. Grep space option is there, you can write option. After that pattern you want to write the inverted commas. After you will give the input file. This is the syntax of grep command. Okay, so in the grep command there are many options. Before going to options, just how it is working grep command. So if you are going to search the pattern, so first you create the file. Okay, so you give the input file, then only it will be searched easily. Otherwise you want to search, you did not search, because of here grep the create file demo file, that we will be used to example below in the demos in the grep command. So suppose I want to create a cat using demo file. Okay, so these are the lines. You observe it here. The first line is all are capital letters. The first line is all are capital letters. The second line is all are small letters. You can observe it. All are small letters. Here all are uppercase letters. Here all are lowercase letters. Here all are the starting letter is uppercase, remaining letters are lowercase. You can observe it. So the starting letters are uppercase. Okay, remaining letters are lowercase. All are strings, nothing but. Okay, so here also same. In this file contains, suppose you want to search something, so either uppercase letter or lowercase letter, how it is displayed. Only I want to display lowercase letters, how it is displayed. So all these things we can see that. First you can see that the basic usage of grep command is to search for the specific string. Whatever you want to search, that is called as specific string. Okay, so specific string in the specified file. What file you want to search, that will be displayed on the screen. Okay, specified file, you give the input to the system. Okay, so here grep, here literally string, what file you are writing, that file here you are writing. Suppose here you can see that $grep, this is a pattern. So in the demo file, in this file, this how many places are there, so it will be displayed. You can see that here grep space this demo file, how many places are there. Here you can see that this here is there, this line will be displayed, and this here is there, this line will be displayed, and this here is there, this line will be displayed. You observe it, all are either small letters or lowercase letters. Okay, so it will be displayed. What about uppercase letters? Uppercase letters not displayed, because of here it is a case sensitive commands, so you must use the option small I, ignore case. Option I means ignore case. Okay, so you can see the input file. Actually this also here is there, but this line is not displayed. Only here this is there, this line is displayed. Only this is there, this line is displayed. Only this is there, this line is displayed. These three lines are displayed. This is there, this line is also displayed. Okay, these four lines are displayed. What about this one and this one not displayed? Why? Because these are the ignore cases. If you use the ignore cases also display, you can use the option I. Option I is also there. Grep, suppose dollar grep option I, then this input file demo underscore file. So it will be displayed this line also. This is the correct format. If you are not using this I, then only display only lowercase letters lines. Okay, so you can observe it. See that here three lines are displayed. Okay, so this is the small output displayed on the pattern matching grep command using. Okay, so next. So here suppose match regular expressions in a file. So here this is very powerful feature. So our logical programming also using this command. Because of all the logical programming pattern search, we will use the grep command. Okay, so here it is very powerful feature. If you can use regular expressions effectively, you can use the grep command. In the following example, it searches for all the patterns, starts with lines and ends with empty. So suppose your file starts with the line, ends with empty, with anything in the between search, you can use the lines after anything you have to write here after empty. Okay, starting lines is there, ending empty is there, middle star is there. Anything you want to write here, star means asterisk symbol. This symbol is displayed, multiple files are nothing files. Okay, so you will write in this demo.file. We are giving the input file. So what will be the output here? 2 lines above this line is empty. So in this input file, starting line, where here starting line is there, no line here, sorry, here starting line is there, no, here also not there. So in ending empty file is there, no, so that's why it will not display. Here 2 lines above this file lines is not empty. Okay, so this is the output it will be. It is a small output is display. Now I want to show you that options description, option C, option H, option I, option L, option N, option B, option E, option F, option E capital, option W capital, okay, option O capital. So these are all options we want to use to search easily. Okay, if you want to pattern search, these are all useful to effectively display the output. Suppose if you use the option C, what is that? Only count the lines matched pattern. Only count the lines matched pattern. You can see that here, suppose I want to take the example of g.txt file. I want to create it. In this g.txt file contains, these are the 4 lines. Okay, suppose here, sorry, this one here. So this is the input file. Okay, display the count the number of lines matched, number of matches. Here, how many matches are there in the Unix? How many times are there? Here, Unix is there. Okay, here only small, because of here starting capital U is there. We are not considered. only small. Here U is Unix this is, but here it is also not considered because of here capital N is there, we are not considered. Here small is there, here small is there, but within the line twice are there, but we are not considered. Okay, here what is the output? Here we can use the only this place and this place. Okay, so what will be the output? We are getting 2. Okay, so here specific pattern we want to search using options. Okay, next option I. See that option I, ignore case for matching. Okay, whatever it will be match, either capital letters or small letters, whatever it will be displayed using ignore case. Okay, so case sends to search. Okay, option I we can use it. Grep option I Unix. What file you want to search, that will be displayed. What is the output? Here this will be display the output as a option I. Okay, so next option L. Option L means what? Display the file names with matches the pattern. Option L means display the file names which matches the pattern. Here actually we want to give the multiple files, not giving single file. Okay, we are giving multiple files. If you want to search this word, okay, either this file or this file or this file or this file, so whatever the file, it will be displayed. Suppose actually these files are not available in the Unix word, what file is available here? In geekfile.txt. This file only Unix is there, that file will be displayed. Actually we are not writing here, but this also we are including. So multiple files you want to search, whatever the word it will be there, that file names will be displayed using option L. Okay, option L. Okay, that file names will be, we are getting the output. Okay, option L. Okay, so this is option L. Next, option W. Option W. W means whole words in a file. Okay, checking for the whole words in a file. Suppose Unix word, it will be display whole word. So how many places are there, that lines will be displayed whole word. Okay, so here Unix is there, 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 here Unix is there. So whole words will be displayed using option W. Okay, so entire all lines will be displayed. Here Unix is there, this line will be displayed. Here Unix is there, this line will. This is not displayed. You can see that here, where it is. No, because of here not there Unix. This line will be displayed. Okay, and here Unix is there, and here Unix is there, and here Unix is there. Here Unix is there. So total lines will be displayed using option W, whole words. Okay, next coming to here option O. How many lines Unix is there, that line starting only display. Option O means only the matched pattern. Only the matched pattern is what? Unix, only the matched pattern. Here Unix is there, matched pattern. Some second line, here Unix is there. Some no, because of here capital U is there. Okay, so somewhere here, no, here capital N is there. Here this is there, Unix. Here this is there. Here this is there. How many times are repeated? Here also there. 1 second. Here also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means here 1, 2, this one, and Okay, this one actually. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times, total 6 times. This word is match, that will be displayed. Okay, option O means display the only matched pattern. Display the only matched pattern. Okay, so this is called as using option O, using grep command. Okay, next here option N. Option N, it shows the line numbers. Option N means it shows the line numbers while displaying the output using screen, using grep. Okay, so to show the lines numbers with the line match, what line it will be matched, that line numbers only display. Suppose here Unix here in this place is also there, in this place is also there, Unix. Okay, so it will be displayed. So first line and second line here is there, none, that's why, not this one. This line also Unix is there, this line also Unix is there. But here Unix is there, but starting letter is what? Capital U. That's why this line is not displayed. Here Unix is there, no. Okay, so here this is, it will be displayed. So whatever the lines are matched, that only display using option N. N means line numbers display on the output. Okay, this is option N. This is option N. Okay, next here option B. Option B. V means inverting the pattern match. V means inverting the pattern match. You can display the lines that are not matched with the specified search. So whatever is not matched, that will be displayed on the screen. Okay, option V. Okay, inverting the pattern match, you can display the lines that are not matched with the specified search string pattern using option V. Okay, how it is displayed? Here grep option V, this pattern will be displayed to which file? This file. So here whatever these two lines are not matched to the pattern. So that's why these two lines are displayed on the screen. Okay, so this is also using option B, using the grep command. And coming to last one, here this is the input file. Okay, option capital, option cap. Okay, matching the lines that starts with the string, matching the lines that starts with the string. Okay, so actually this is fgrep. Any meta characters you can use it to display the pattern search using fgrep. So we will discuss fgrep also. So this is the example. Here the cap symbol is meta character. So here cap symbol meaning is it is a regular expression pattern specific file. Start of the line, starting of the line is there. Starting of the line Unix is there. That line is only displayed. Here starting of the line Unix is there. Here starting of the line is also there, but here N is capital. That's why not displayed. Starting of the line Unix is there. That line will be displayed on the screen using the line matching. Okay, so starting Unix is there, that line will be matched, and that's why the Unix line is displayed. Okay, here. So this is the starting. It is the grep command. It is the grep command. Thank you. Option.